Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. La Hermitage is found behind a private gate in the quiet Stony Hill neighborhood of Seaview Road. This stylish 6,450 square feet home is a secret escape and not your typical Kingston and St. Andrew residence. In fact, when you arrive here, you will be surprised at the mountain views, lush landscape, and cool air greeting you only 10 minutes from bustling Manor Park. With 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, the home spans 3 levels, which includes an artist studio. House is positioned on an half of acre of land, which is teeming with unusual flowers and trees. There is a swimming pool with cut stone deck, 2 water features, as well as a barbecue area. La Hermitage has been loved and enjoyed by its current owners, who have raised their children in this magical place. By making La Hermitage your home, you will be offering your family a life entwined with nature, where peace reigns and creativity flows. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. asking price for this house is Jamaican 115 million or US $747,100. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.